You know when you have to burp, but it's like not coming, and then it's just really confusing.
I don't have as many burps.
You don't drink 6 Dr. Peppers a day. I think it passed.
Oh.
Did it?
Do you feel better? Do you feel a release?
Yes.
Great.
I'm ready. Hello everyone, welcome back to Beauty Break. Today we're gonna try out some Amazon luxury boxes.
That's right, you guys, all you people watching. If people have one word to describe us in this show, it would definitely be luxury.
Luxurious would actually be the word they would use to describe it, but close.
We're two classy ladies, each with a luxury box, and we're about to open them.
Let's see what's inside. What was that? As you guys might remember, we recently tried the Amazon sample boxes.
Maybe it's like an XOXO.
Sorry, it was the wrong direction.
It had a lot of cool stuff on it, like tiny packages of shampoo you get in a magazine.
Yeah, it was kind of like travel size things, but like even smaller, and that was $10. These, we've really pulled out all the stops because they're $20. That screams luxury.
It really does. You know what else screams luxury? How great this packaging is.
I mean,
Look at how well it held up in the mail.
it must have come from like a really luxurious place, and
Or
it just went through a lot to get here, which is
just
not so
smashed
luxurious. Okay, 1, 2.
Hold on though. Our boxes are different.
Oh yes, mine is beauty.
And mine is skincare, because I'm a skincare junkie. Let's go.
1,
Bacon
2,
paste.
3. Luxury beauty. These are even wrapped nicer than the last ones.
The greeting. Hello, gorgeous.
Tissue paper?
I could definitely use this for coloring book materials and then frame it in my home.
This is something a mom would be like, oh, we better save that so we can use it later. Even though
What
then
do you mean?
never
I'm gonna
use it later.
save this and frame it later. Give me yours too.
You could like wrap a small book in it. Do you remember book socks? Anyway, back to this. People
Okay,
comment.
usually I say stuff like that. What are you talking about? A book sock?
Do you not remember what book socks are?
What is
This
book sock?
this looks like it like came off of the book, like it wrapped it
when
like
you would cover your books?
Yeah.
Book covers?
yeah, but it was like a sock.
No, I just use
If you
paper
were-
bags.
If you remember book socks, leave me a comment in the comment section below because that's
That's
where you
fine.
comment anyway. This is what's in the box.
All right, so the
Excuse me.
first thing I have is a moisturizing skin cream. It's an original Japanese formula called Yubi.
I'm most taken aback by the packaging. Doesn't it look like it would be like a little bar or something?
I thought it was a small fig Newton. so
Yeah,
I'm kind of
exactly.
disappointed. And then you open that package, and then inside is another package.
Why is it wrapped in another package?
And then you
Why
open
would
that
you-
package, and then
There's a creme inside. Not very much though.
it's scentless.
What is it?
It's U cream.
So we don't know. Got it.
It's not for sale. It's just a sample. It's already empty. It suddenly smells like tree. Okay, what's that?
So much extra packaging. There can't be that many ingredients or instructions on how to use a creme.
I don't know, but maybe it's like for liability or
I
something.
don't know, it's just not eye cream though. Anti-aging, get rid of those smile wrinkles.
Speaking of anti-aging, look at this age-defying, anti-blemish, brightening clinical cream.
Do you use a lot of anti-aging stuff since you're 74?
Yeah, I mean, what else do you think? I got it. First off, I got a skin rejuvenation from that nurse in the Grammy box.
Oh yes,
It cost $4,500, worth every freaking penny. Look at these before and afters. I love before and afters.
Okay, but my problem with before and afters is like this shows like acne, 94% reduction in acne. How do we know that she just didn't take it like a week later and the acne went away? Like,
know
how do you
what?
know that's acne? Maybe it was just like a problem area.
It's
for,
like a
week.
Scouts honor situation. Okay, so here's
Perfect.
the serum. I do love tiny things.
I love a good little eyedropper.
Ooh.
That smells like mouthwash.
Okay, so I'm gonna try it on some of my hand wrinkles. My mom always says, put sunscreen on your neck and your hands. My mom is 140 now, since I'm 74.
She had you really late. This is such a small portion of something that I feel like, is there
What is
anything
that?
in there? This is a skin fortifying daily booster.
So far, I feel like we have the same box, but just like different stuff.
Yeah, this
Don't
all
you
feels like
agree?
a lot of skincare, so I mean, beauty is skincare, skincare is beauty.
So
it's all
true.
the
You
same.
zig, I zag.
I was gonna put this on, but I don't think I can open it. No, never mind, I got it.
I'm having some trouble right now. Maybe it's because my hands are so slippery with all the serums and creams.
This is for your face, right? Skin fortifying, I'm just gonna put it on my hand too. If I can get any of it out, because this is how much is in there.
Wow, that's some clear gel.
Oh, really? It's like a full body? That's enough
Does
for
it smell
so
good?
much. It doesn't really have a scent.
Wow, this,
It does spread a lot, so actually this does cover more surface area than I thought it would.
that looks yummy.
It's fortifying my skin. I know so much about skincare. I mean beauty.
That's a good brand. Vichy is a good brand.
Oh, actually, I didn't even notice that that was the brand. I tried their makeup before because apparently Erin met Katy Perry one time, and she asked her what kind of foundation she uses, and this is it. I mean, this is not the foundation, but it's Vichy. She totally uses CoverGirl because
this is many years ago.
it was before her deal with CoverGirl. I'm sure she only uses that now. I don't think this goes on your hands, but I just have too much and now I don't know what to do with it.
Ooh, this is cool. This is a textured cleansing cloth. Maybe we should use this. And it's ideal before you do the 5-minute facelift.
Which
I would
they
like to try
don't give
this.
you the 5-minute facelift.
No, that's truly luxury. I wonder how much that costs. This is called New Face. Oh, look. It's textured.
Why are there so many cleanser? I think my problem with
Why are there so many
cleansers? My problem with these boxes is that I don't feel like there's enough variety of the products. Don't give me like 5 of the exact same thing.
This feels really great.
It's like a makeup wipe.
This
Does it feel luxurious?
This feels like a $3 wipe on my hand right now.
Oh, we have a hair mask. This actually.
Oh my gosh, I have a hair mask too.
Oh my god, it's the exact
They're
same
the
brand.
exact same brand.
Just different
They're
flavors.
Totally different boxes.
What?
Flavors?
Why do you have skincare? Why would they give you a hair mask? Hair is not skin.
That's actually true. You have a good point there. Mario Badescu, this is a good product.
Would it really be helpful if it had one of those like things on the end to like poke it? Because I can't get that
here.
off. I can't use the hair mask now anyway, so I guess I don't need to smell it.
This is another premium serum by Lorac
Oh.
and La Roche-Posay. These are nice brands, like definitely good brands.
We have an anti-puff eye cream. I actually have this lotion somewhere. I think it was in a gift bag.
Oh, I love Bliss. They have that at
Body
W
butter.
Hotels. This is Vichy Booster. Okay, what's the difference between boosters and serums and all this stuff? I don't
just feel like
understand.
It's all the same and just like hydrates and brightens and moisturizes.
Ooh, I have a perfume. Citron and bergamot. No, it's not. It's vanilla blackberry. Here, smell it.
That's nice.
I like it.
I like that. I kinda wanna
that
eat
smells
it.
Natch. It smells like a pie. It's making me hungry. Okay, I like that.
I'm getting really lubed up. I don't think I'm gonna be able to open anything else.
And then I have Calvin Klein Euphoria. Remember when, did you ever wear CK1?
Do people they still buy Juicy? Didn't we buy Juicy sweatsuits
Yeah.
as
Oh.
like a joke?
This smells great.
Ooh, I love that. Don't use any more and give it to me.
Calvin Klein Euphoria.
I like it.
This is good. See, this is when this stuff comes in handy. So you can try little samples and decide what your signature scent's gonna be.
I agree, but when it's unscented stuff that you can't really tell an instant, like it's like over the course of like a week or at least a week, maybe even a month,
Right.
then like testing things isn't really gonna help.
And that's why I actually love the FabFitFun box because they give you full-size products.
That is a good plan.
Yeah.
That is what I think this should be. It should not be samples.
I wonder if
But
they
it's gonna
have
be
a
more
full-size box sort of thing. Yeah, it's like $50 at least, but still. That's a good product. Chi?
Yeah, that's what my hair straightener is, isn't it?
Yeah.
Silk Infusion. Oh, it's for hair and skin.
This is a skin smoothing serum.
There's a lot of repeats in these boxes.
Wait, so what is the difference supposed to be?
I don't think there is one.
But I actually like this concept. I love like tiny things.
I like how they look. I don't think they serve much purpose though.
But I actually like having these. I just keep them in my travel bag, and so then when I go somewhere, I don't have to pack a bunch of stuff because at the airport, it's like that whole 3-ounce situation. Let me live. You know what I mean?
Otherwise, it's just more like lotions and creams.
What's in this box?
It's an unmarked box.
Oh, it's powder. You did get a makeup product. Setting powder.
One.
This is good for traveling too.
I guess they picked something that like everyone could use this.
What is this though? Is this
It's a
makeup?
collagen.
Okay, these boxes are good. I like them. Here's what I would do, Amazon, if I were you, which I'm not. I would do
Upgrade to a full size.
a big box with full-size products, or in this box, just put like 3 things.
That's, I would say, I want full size and less products because I don't need, again, 3 hydrating cleansers. But if you gave me one that was a full bottle, that would be helpful.
It's just impossible. Oh, we all will agree to agree, even if we won't, that like it's impossible to figure out if you like something from just a tiny amount or to figure out if it works unless it's a perfume. In which case, load us up, you know?
That's nice too.
But I do think this,
What is this?
white tea. That's
Elizabeth Arden, white tea.
But I
I'm a
do
big
think this
fan.
would be a fun gift thing to like give to a cousin that you didn't really know.
There you go. I was gonna say, I would not get this for one of my friends. They would be like, why did you buy me this sample pack that you probably got in a gift bag?
I think better idea is to buy one of those mystery boxes.
That's at
people are
least more
selling on
fun. There's like
eBay.
funny surprises. This is like, lotion.
But yeah, I'd highly recommend larger boxes.
Yeah,
$50. Let's do it, Amazon.
you're going in the right direction. We just need a little more. What we would love to know.
Yes. What do we want to know?
If you guys in the comments below would let us know all of your favorite products.
Love that idea.
Because like Amazon, we like your favorite products, but we want to know what your guys
We
are.
trust you maybe more because
Yeah.
you're humans. I want to know what makeup you like, what skincare you like,
What
hair
hair products,
products,
yes.
all of the things. Even like if you do beauty treatments.
And it better be stuff you actually like
Yeah.
and not just stuff to make us look dumb.
No.
Because,
We
like,
want real information,
Come
please.
hit and subscribe because
Yep.
we're here every Saturday being super luxurious.
Luxuriating.
Don't think that's a word.
Bye, guys.
For more Beauty Break, click the top video because we tried to recreate some lip art and it didn't go that badly. Or click the bottom video to see us make a unicorn piñata cake because that is a real thing that exists and it's great.